I don't know how I am going to afford my books and supplies this semester. I have financial aid, but for some reason my money goes so fast.
With the Hire One Falcon card, disbursements are easy. Your refund money gets loaded onto a card and you can use it anywhere.
So I can buy my books online and save money?
Sure you can, for a fee.
Well, what if I were to transfer my money into a different bank account so I wouldn't get charged for using my Falcon card?
With the Hire One Falcon card, transfers are easy. Just go online and you can transfer money to any bank account for a $25 fee.
Well, what if I were to go to an ATM and pull out money? Can I use the Falcon card that way?
Of course you can, for a $3 fee.
It seems like Hire One has a fee for everything. I just might stop using it.
Well, if you do that, beware of the $19 inactivity fee.
Well, thank you for your help.
No problem at all. Now that conversation will be a $5 fee.